on the issue of impeachment. Just want to ask your comment on some criticisms na they were saying na baka hindi interesado yung Senado na itakil ito kasi they were pointing out yung sinasabi na forthwith na nakasaad daw sa saligang batas na dapat agad-agad ina-actionan ito ng Senado. What's your take on that, ma'am?
Dumating sa amin last day of session. What will you do? Last day of session, aalis na kami. So, kami tackle na. Ba't naman nila pinasa sa last day of session? Parang bigla silang nag-decide na gusto nila tapos nadalhin sa amin last day of session. And they expect us to work on it. Ano na kami?
Recess na?
Recess na kami. And you have to remember, 7 senators are running on it. And some of them are families running on it. Parang hindi out of yung schedule yun. Last day of session dinala sa amin. Bigla nilang dinecide kung gusto nila mag-impeach tapos kami ang isisihin nila. At hindi nila pinadala earlier.
Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel earlier said na as senators, it's part of the job to stand as an impeachment court, and kung kinakailangan daw na i-drop or huwag munang i-prioritize yung campaigning, dapat yun daw yung gawin.
Can you tell that to the senators? Can the Senate President tell that to the senators?
24 independent republics.
So,
Baka sa House kaya kasi meron silang pakinabang. But the Senate, you don't buy the senators. They have their own mind.
you share the same view with SPGs? No need for the senators to do a caucus just to discuss the position and the possible amendments and the impeachment
out of
rules.
schedule. So if you have to be practical, siguro, ayoko na kasi mag-comment kasi I'm going out of the Senate. This is my last term. And, pero I agree na it's too much to ask the senators to come back and do impeachment while they're campaigning. Yung 7 na yun. And the rest, they have relatives who are campaigning. Any questions about that impeachment? Ayaw na lang natin i-discuss kasi nakakahiya. Pero,
Ma'am, last na lang on my end, going back as well on your statement about the political dynasty. Of course, your daughter is now coming in the